265,000 Toastmasters worldwide pay $60 semi-annually to be a part of the club and practice public speaking. They show up to their club meetings, they talk for 2 to 3 minutes, and then they go home and have to wait another week to practice. This is not how you build a skill. You need that consistency. I'm John Gukin. I'm a Toastmaster, and I built Speak Daily to fix that. Let's look at the problem. Public speaking skills directly impact career outcomes. Toastmasters go to meetings. If they have a prepared speech, they're talking for 7 minutes. Otherwise, they only get 2 to 3 minutes of impromptu speech practice. This is very difficult to build a skill with because you lack the consistency. Without consistent practice, members are plateauing, they're losing motivation, and they're quitting. The solution to that is a feedback tool for daily practice. So we have a random table topics prompt that a user can select. They record their speech and talk for 2 minutes, and then AI analytics comes in and gives them feedback. Then they have progress tracking so they can see their progress over time. The AI speech analytics covers filler words, speaking pace, word choice, and timing, and it condenses all that into a score for the user. The AI feedback is generated by Anthropic at 5 cents per session from the view of a Toastmaster. Competitive landscape, top competitor is Udly. They have a $40 million investment already, and it is a market leader that shows validation. So Toastmaster members only are going to be using Speak Daily. Its focus is on impromptu speaking, and it costs $4.99, relatively cheap. Udly is more for corporate and prepared presentations, and it's more costly. The global public speaking market is $3.4 billion. My starting point is District 3, which consists of Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. At 10% penetration, that's $95K annual recurring revenue. The model for Speak Daily would be a freemium model. So users would get 5 practice sessions per month with AI feedback, eventually upgrading to $4.99 per month with unlimited practice sessions and AI analytics, along with progress charts. Let me show you that this is real. So here we have speakdaily.club, which is the domain name, and you can rotate through different practice topics. You hit record, you can hit a recording, and then in my history here, this takes a second to load, I can see my attempts. So let's look at this one. I have a video, that I can play this, but I don't want it for the sake of time. It gives me an assessment, comfortable, vocal variety, gives me scores on every single one of these, tracks filler words. It gives me coaching tips so I can improve, as well as a transcription of what I said in my video. Go-to-market strategy for Speak Daily is to start with Tempe clubs, do in-person demos, try to get users and feedback. Next would be to go into District 4, partner with higher-ups at Toastmasters, email outreach, and run LinkedIn ads. Regional growth is where we're further down the line. We're expanding to California, Nevada, and other states. Why me? Why can I execute? I'm a self-taught full-stack developer. I know React, Next.js, Supabase. I'm comfortable building and shipping features. I was a Toastmaster at one point for 2 years, and I've experienced the problem firsthand. I have access to Pacific Beach Toastmaster Club and the ones in Tempe. I also have that network within ASU in the entrepreneurship program with Pro Sales Club, and I understand software as a business. I'm seeking $3,000 for Speak Daily. So the goal of this is to use that money for user research, validate the problem that I'm solving, and get real feedback from real users. Infrastructure would be the lower end of the cost, $400. Paid acquisition, I want to run LinkedIn ads and measure real customer acquisition costs. I also want to do club outreach, host events with members, do project demos, and things like that. Toastmaster members already pay to improve. They pay $60 twice a year to be a part of Toastmasters. They've already raised their hand and said that this matters to me. Public speaking matters to me. I'm not trying to convince anyone they have a problem. I'm giving them a tool that allows them to stay consistent and practice daily instead of weekly. Once again, my name is John Gukin. The app is live at speakdaily.club, and I'd love your support on this journey. Thank you.